Good morning, class. Today we will be doing page number 8 of English Literature workbook, lesson number 1. So, complete these sentences with the suitable naming words. Now we have to put here the suitable naming words, which is perfectly going with the sentence. I opened the door. Can you see the mirror? Third, the house is on the road. I went to the school yesterday. The girl was going to market. So, these are the suitable naming words. Now, come to the next one. Here it is given noun that can be counted are called as countable noun. For example, 2 boys, 5 chairs, 3 toys, and so on. Now, we all know about noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. So, in noun, there are 2 kinds of noun, countable and uncountable. Countable means which we can count, but uncountable, which we cannot count. Now 2 boys, there are 2 boys standing. So 2 is a number, 2 we can count, 1 and 2. 5 chairs, 3 toys, and so on. So these are the examples. It can be 5 friends, it can be 2 cups, 3 chalks, like this. Now, noun that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. Now, the noun which we cannot count is called as uncountable noun. Like oil. We don't say, give me 1 oil. That is 1 liter of oil or 1 liter of water. Sugar, 1 kg. We can't count sugar. You can take 1 kg sugar and you can count all the little sugar? No. When we go to the shop, we ask, give 1 kg or 2 kg of rice. But we can't count them. Okay, so they are very finely particular, very small things. So we cannot count. Oil is liquid. Can you count the liquid? No. So these are uncountable noun. Countable, which we can count. Uncountable, which we cannot count. Now, add 5 more noun to each of the column. Now it is given in the one column you have to put countable nouns. In the other column you have to write the uncountable noun. First one is given for us. Friends, water. Friends we can count. How many friends do we have? Water we cannot count. Second, cups. Here, sugar. Then I have written, you can write of your own also. Chalk, oil. Mangoes, here milk. Plates, salt. Bottles, honey. Pages, juice. So these are the things which we can count, and these are the things which we can not count. So these are called as countable and uncountable noun. Now come to the next page, that is page number 9. Singular is one and plural is more than one or many. When a word ends in Y, we add IES to make it plural. For example, lady, LADY, lady is a single lady. We are talking about only one lady. And when it becomes to plural, many ladies are there or 2 or more ladies are there, we will count them as ladies. And the spelling will be changed to LADIES. Y will be cancelled and it will be changed into IES. Already children, you have learned about singular and plural. I will give you some examples. That is chair. The plural will be chairs. Then toy, toys. TOY, toy. TOYS, toys. Then it is life, lives. LIFE, life. LIVES, lives. Then it is baby. It will be babies. BABY, baby. Another one will be the BABIES, babies. So these are the plural. There are different kinds of plurals. We will be studying in detail in the next class. In your language class, the teacher who is teaching you language, she will teach you about the singular and the plural in detail. Now here are some exercises given. Write the plural of the noun given in the bracket to complete the sentences. Now here in the bracket you have given some words. You have to make it as plural. Meeta picked dash daisy from the garden. Daisy is a kind of a flower. So we have to make it as plural. The spelling will be DAISIES. Y will be cancelled and it will be turned into IES. Daisies. The sentence will be Meeta picked daisies from the garden. There are many dash in the world. In the bracket the word is country. So why country is a singular one? Then when we are talking about many countries, it will be countries. COUNTRIES. Y will be again cancelled and it will be converted into IES. I love to attend birthday dash. In bracket it is given party. It will be parties. PARTIES. The next one. The dash are crying. Baby. Babies are crying. BABIES. The dash are dancing in the hall. In the bracket it is given lady. The plural of lady will be ladies. LADIES. So this is the plural. Next, come to the next one. When a word ends in F or FE, we add VES to make it plural. Now here we have done Y. When Y is there, we are making it as IES. Now here when F or FE is there, it will be converted into VES. For example, leaf. Single leaf we are talking about. When it will be many, we will be saying leaves. LEAVES. Wife. FE. It will be changed into WIVES. FE will be cut and it will become to VES. Now here it is one exercise given. Tick the correct plural form of these nouns. Wolf. Now here you have given two spellings. You have to see that which one is the correct one. Wolf, wolves. Because F is there. F is converted into VES. Calf, calves. Knife, knives. Loaf, loaves. Not FS. Life, lives. LIVES. Shelf, shelves. So for today we have done what? Countable and uncountable noun. Then we have done singular and plural. Today we have done page number 8 and 9. Till then you copy it down in your book. No need to copy down in your copy. Only in the book you will be doing this. Thank you children, and revise the whole chapter.